Hello everybody, thank you for pressing play on my video today. My name is Charlene Luciano and I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. I've got a really cute little treat to share with you guys today. And super cute, you can write your message in the back here. So I'm going to show you how we do today's project. For today's project I'm using the Melon Mumbo, and the base is cut at 4 1/4 by 8. We do need to do some scoring. I got my trimmer and we are going to score at a 1/2 inch. Along the 4 1/4 inch side we're going to score it at a 1/2 inch, and we're going to score it at 1. Then with the 8 inch along the top we're going to score it at 3 1/4. We're going to score it at 3 3/4. We're going to score it at 7. And we're going to score it at 7 1/2. Now I will have all these measurements over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com, so if you missed anything they will be there. We need to do a little bit of cutting and a little bit more scoring. So on this you'll see there's 2 double lines here. You're going to find the two 1/2 inches right here. You're going to take your ruler and you're going to go across like so, and then from that point that you just put over here you're going to go at an angle from there to the top, and you're going to score like so. So you can see it there like that. So you got straight across and then at an angle to the corner. So what we're going to do now is we are going to cut this away because we actually don't need it. So we're going to cut that away. I'm going to miter this piece like so. So I just took out that little corner, and then we are going to take away this bit here at the back. Whoops. So what you should have is this little bit like that. We are now going to fold and burnish. And that is what's going to create that little pocket piece. Okay, so I'm going to add some glue. Not this glue because it's not coming out right. I'm going to add a little dollop of glue. I'm just going to hold it for a few seconds. And then I'm going to add glue here on this little tab. Just give that a nice little press. I'm going to come in with my bone folder and just give it a good press. All right, so we are now going to add, this piece measures 3 1/8 by 3 1/8, and I've got my melon ink. On this one, I used the Calypso Coral. I have my stamp mounted, and the stamp set I'm using today is the Bloom in Love. I love this stamp set. It's got Be Mine, excuse me, Be Mine, Love is in the Air, Friend. So it's really a good stamp set. Just gonna stamp that in the corner. On this one I used designer series paper, and this is from the Painted with Love, and again this piece is cut at 3 1/8 by 3 1/8, and you just have to cut it out. So I'm going to attach this to the back. And you can still write a nice little message there. So what I did for the Kit Kats, I took 3 of these little mini Kit Kats, and again I bought this bag at the dollar store, and I grabbed the clear envelopes. Now these are fabulous. You get 50 of them in a package, and I love them. When you send out a card, they can see the card that you've made and how beautiful it is. So I just added my 3 Kit Kats in. Peel this off and wrap this around and sealed it. Super easy, you guys. So this piece here measures 3 inches. So 3 inches by 3 1/4. And you're just going to fold it in half. So you're just going to fold it in half like so. Add it to the top of the bag. I have my stapler, and then I've just got some of these hearts that I've cut out. Now again, you would use the stitched shaped framelits and attach that, and that will go in there like so. And then you would add your designer series paper and dress it up the way you'd like it. So I hope you liked today's project. I hope you'll give it a try. Again, if you guys are new to my channel, please subscribe. I will have a detailed description about today's project over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for stopping by. Take care.